My name is Neeraj Kumar. I am from Gaya district. For the last 10 years, I was facing a hair fall. I did not consult any doctor. Because I thought it's just natural things. It should be happen, okay? For the last 6 years, I was working from home. I could not able to get a time to visit any doctor. Since Jan 2026, I came to Kolkata and I was looking for the hair transplant doctor. 10 days ago, I came here for the consulting. Doctor said that you have to go for the hair transplant. On 21st March 2026, I came here for the hair transplant. Doctor was really a good and experienced, and all the teams supported me very nicely, friendly. And everything is done. Now I'm good.